Did you know that the Eiffel Tower can grow over 6 inches taller in the summer? Yep, you heard that right. The iconic iron structure that dominates the Paris skyline literally stretches upwards when the temperature rises. But how exactly does this happen? It's all thanks to thermal expansion, a process that happens when metal heats up. You see, when the temperature rises, the iron atoms in the Eiffel Tower start to vibrate more and take up more space. This causes the entire structure to expand. Now, you might think, how can a massive structure like this grow by several inches? But it's the same principle that affects everyday objects in your life too. Think about railroad tracks. In extreme heat, the metal expands, and sometimes the tracks can even buckle or bend. That's why trains might slow down on hot summer days to avoid accidents. So, if you've ever been stuck on a delayed train because of hot weather, you can blame thermal expansion. In the case of the Eiffel Tower, this expansion is totally harmless. Gustave Eiffel, the genius engineer behind the tower, designed it with this flexibility in mind. He knew that metal would expand in the summer and contract in the winter. The Eiffel Tower, made up of around 18,000 iron parts, is designed to handle this expansion, so in the summer it can grow by up to 6 inches. But don't worry, it's not going to topple over. Here's another real-life example you might have experienced. Ever notice that in the summer, doors or windows in your house get a little harder to open or close? That's because the wood or metal frames expand slightly in the heat, just like the Eiffel Tower. So, the next time you're in Paris on a sunny day, gazing up at the Eiffel Tower, you can impress your friends by telling them it's actually taller than it was in the winter. You might even get a free drink for sharing such a fun fact. The Eiffel Tower isn't just an architectural marvel, it's a living, breathing example of how the natural world interacts with the man-made. A structure that grows with the summer sun, just like the rest of us. Who knew the Eiffel Tower had a little summer growth spurt? Subscribe for more surprising facts about the world around you.